My life feels legendary, but I can't make out the details. This time I won't carry the past as I meet new people. I've seen them before, these doubts are commonly mistaken. Discovered in my brain, but this journey is my oasis. Sitting around this campfire, my dreams are in the stars. I've been wanting to examine exactly who they are. Some might call it insanity, cause it's so dangerous. But what is adventure unless we risk our days for what we love? From the mountains to the sea, such a vibrant mystery. From each challenge that we seek, so that we may salvage this peace. In essence, we are connected, regardless of our beliefs. Even with all the regions, this world is smaller than we think. And no matter what happens, I will be right here through each fight and milestone that we might share. Whatever we do could potentially be a memory that we later consider delightful. We gotta continue, hopefully on the right path, which occasionally will lead us into some tall grass. We might get lost, but if we split ways, there's something I have to ask. If I leave here tomorrow, will you remember me? Because we must discover all that we can be. If I leave here tomorrow, will you remember me? We must discover all that we can be. When I leave here tomorrow, will you remember me? Because we must discover our destiny.
As you might have guessed, that was not me singing. My good friend Luke Sizemore, also known as Youngtown here on YouTube, wrote, composed, and performed that all by himself. If you like the song and you want to download it, there's a link in the video description where you can do that. And there's also a link to Youngtown's YouTube channel where you can find more of his video game raps. You can also click right here to go there right now. Just thought this would be a fun little way to celebrate the release of Pokemon X and Y. Let me know what you guys think of the game so far, and you can expect a review from me sometime in the next couple weeks. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click here to subscribe for more Pokemon videos.
I'll never forget you, though I must leave you right here, for that I will feel, that I will feel, that I will feel. It's the adventure of a lifetime.